Why automate daily task reminders?
Staying on top of daily tasks can be challenging. Automating reminders helps prevent missed deadlines and forgotten chores. With a Python script, you can set up your own personalized reminder system, giving you more time to focus on important work and reducing the stress of managing your to-do list manually.
Getting started, what you need.
To build a task reminder in Python, you'll need basic programming knowledge and a few tools. Make sure you have Python installed on your computer. You'll also use the Schedule library to manage timing and SMTplib for sending email reminders. These tools are easy to install and widely supported.
Writing the Python scheduler script.
First, import the necessary libraries. Define your daily tasks in a list. Then write a function that sends reminders for each task. Use the Schedule library to set the function to run at a specific time every day. The script can send reminders via email, pop-up notification, or console message, depending on your preference.
Setting up email notifications.
To send email reminders, configure your script with your email provider settings. Use SMTplib to connect and authenticate your email account. Compose a subject and message, then send it to your address. For common providers like Gmail, you'll need to enable app-specific passwords or use your credentials securely.
Running the script automatically.
To ensure reminders run daily, keep your script active. You can set up your operating system's task scheduler like Windows Task Scheduler or macOS Automator to launch the Python script each day. This way, you'll never miss a reminder and your automated schedule works seamlessly in the background.
Benefits of Python-powered reminders.
By automating your reminders with Python, you save time and reduce stress. The script is highly customizable, helping you adapt it to your unique workflow. You can add new tasks, change reminder times, or switch notification methods easily. With this system, managing your daily activities becomes effortless and efficient.